Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. As I'm working on my first experimental horror film, I do enjoy and love the 60s and 70s style. And nothing works better with that as a true special effect, naturally rather, than shooting into the sun. Getting some quick scenes of a few seconds into the sun, 5 or 10 at max. Obviously you don't want to do this too long because of the naked sun staring into the lens of your camera and through the viewfinder can damage them. However, when you're filming this in the 60s and 70s style with your Bolex or other 8mm, Super 8, 16mm camera, it does add as a beautiful vintage effect. As you can see back there behind me, I've got the sun blaring right through the banana trees here in the Philippine Islands. And as of yesterday, that effect was known as a no-no. But today it has grown into quite a beautiful and amazing effect. You can do this with either the subject matter of the talent being in silhouette or being in where they can, be seen. It makes no difference. That's upon you, the artist, to determine. But I plan to get a good shot of this, and you can do whatever you want to with it as far as the director is being concerned. It is a great, here again, visual piece of film. So I hope this helps you if you're just starting out or whatever that may be. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our barter, buy and sell Morbid Team Entertainment group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.